Ever thought about how to travel solo as a woman without breaking the bank? My name is Nicole, and I'm here to share with you that traveling alone can be very super intimidating, especially when you're traveling on a very super tight budget. Many women hesitate to travel alone due to safety concerns and high costs, which can discourage them from exploring new places. I totally get it. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're planning a trip by yourself. Safety is a big concern for solo travelers, and it's true that there are some places that are safer than others. But with some research and planning, you can minimize risk and have a stress free trip. High costs can also be a barrier, but there are plenty of ways to save money on travel. Another thing that holds women back from traveling solo is the fear of unknown. What if you get lost or need help? What if you're lonely or bored? These are all the valid concerns, but the truth is that many women have successfully traveled alone solo and love every minute of it. You don't have to get fear of finances to hold you back from having an amazing adventure. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can have a fantastic solo travel experience without breaking the bank. We'll cover essential tips, including budget-friendly destinations, accommodation options, and safety measures to ensure a stress-free solo journey. One of the best ways to save money is to travel places that are affordable and offer a lot of value. Consider visiting countries with low cost of living like Southeast Asia or Central America. Accommodation can also be a major factor with expenses, but there are plenty of affordable options available. You can stay in hostels, guest houses, or even Airbnb apartments. Just make sure to do your research and read reviews from other travelers to ensure you're staying in a safe and comfortable place. When it comes to safety, there are some simple precautions involved that you may need to take to minimize risk. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially at night, and keep your valuables secure. It's also a good idea to let someone back at home know your itinerary where you're supposed to be and check in with them regularly. The key to successful solo travel lies in planning and confidence. Hear inspiring stories of women who've thrived on solo trips, proving it's possible and rewarding. I've met so many people along the way who had incredible experiences travel solo, and I know you can too. These women are proof that solo travel is not only possible, but also incredibly empowering. By stepping out of your comfort zone and taking control of your travels, you can gain confidence too and independence. Traveling solo can be a transformative experience that helps you grow as a person. You'll learn to navigate unfamiliar places, try new foods, and meet new people. To wrap it up, remember that with the right strategies, traveling alone can be an empowering experience that doesn't have to be expensive. By being mindful of your budget and taking safety precautions, you can have an amazing solo travel experience. If you found these tips to be helpful, please check out my other video on solo travel safety and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips. And I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.